Today is Thursday, July 14th, and I am in the car with Dennis and Dennis's wonderful Mustang. We are about to go to the house to do a walkthrough, to be told by Dennis what our plans are for the rebuild of the house. So here we go, down our block. This is the block. Of our street with all these lovely daylilies. This is probably the best time of year on this street. Now we are approaching our 1875 Victorian home. Just about to approach it. Dennis looks like he's parking in a special way on the wrong side of the street. Here's our house, and now we are going to go inside.